All right, guys, I'm a little late starting this morning, but here we are. Market's already open. Haven't even marked out our charts yet, so let's do that.
Let's get it. All right, here's what I want to see today, folks. I want to see us get a strong break again for a move up. I'd like to see a break above this 27,080. In a perfect world, we'd see a sell off first down to pre-market low, find some support, and then move up. Big shout out to giving us FFF Day. Big shout out to the Funded Futures family, helping the DoD family get some cheaper accounts. That's right. What was Gene doing in there?
Right, here we go. Nothing so far other than a bounce there. So we'll wait for our first 15 minutes to come in and listen to our good friends, see what they're doing. Crazy. Tesla had great earnings yesterday and a really positive earnings call, and yet they sold off overnight. They initially popped about $12 and then sold off 12 by 24 to be negative 12, but looks like they're being bought up this morning. So all right.
You know why we trade Grizzly? Why do we trade Grizzly? What's the number one reason we trade? To get the best steaks and sushi on the planet. We love ourselves some steak and sushi. We love ourselves some steak and sushi, baby. Come on. Getting time and freedom back is too, but getting some quality sushi and steak, ooh. And a lobster tail. Man. I just want to buy new windows for my house. That's a damn good goal. Windows aren't cheap either. Don't get it twisted. Windows are not cheap. Not cheap. You trading today, Gene? Bro got his wisdom teeth pulled yesterday didn't even go under anesthesia, which is crazy. You're not really even swollen, Gene. I thought you'd be. I got some funny pictures of Eugene.
Okay, we'll be looking for a pullback in this 27040
I don't know why
evaluation accounts only.
I don't know why the dopamine
Quit.
was sent. Not sure about that. Oh, that's hilarious. You buy one after one. Yep. All right, guys. We wait for our key levels to confirm. We wait for our A plus setup. When we get that A plus setup, that is when we attack. No dart throwing today. I'd never throw darts. I'm actually the exact opposite of a dart throwing trader. You see a lot of traders that just go and throw darts and then claim the winners. Not me.
Right now, I'm targeting
Never your boy.
the
We
swing
trade smart, trade
trades,
safe, and choose DOD on the side.
and
My
because we have
ultimate
two
goal is to
levels up
help
here,
y'all find a nice winning trade today that follows the
yesterday's
system.
close, overnight high.
We have data in 1 minute as well.
Ooh,
So
that's right. I
see what
did
that
look.
gives us.
Thursday. Ooh, flash manufacturing, yeah. It can move things a little bit. I'm only in an eval, so we'll see what we got. Flash manufacturing, and boom. What?
Order submitted. Order filled.
Look at it. Oh my gosh. See, that's why you don't trade live accounts. Um, I got two, but the average was clear up here, even though my entries were way down here. So crazy. See what we get today.
Same scenario as yesterday. Do you guys see the similarity with yesterday? No, I would have rather seen us move up first or down first, excuse me. So we'll see. In a spicy trade. That's right.
Order
Took one
filled.
off there because I think it could reject from here. But we'll wait. It's been so strong. Today might be the day that they break that trend.
Order canceled.
I remember when this guy only traded options, dude is the GOAT. Appreciate you, bro. Let's see if we can get a higher volume confirmation candle here. Yeah, I'm going to be trading NQ on my live account today. Per usual. Per most of the time. I will trade micros on occasion on my live if something's really high risk. All right. Let's see if this gives us a setup. We might get the same setup as I was watching yesterday. One week we need to just rip options only for old time's sake. You know what, Big Zell? I like that. Who's all on board, Team Bull? If we just rip options for a week. We'll go real old time's sake. We'll go 0 DTE options for a week. For a whole week straight. Now, you can still trade futures alongside that too. Like they move the same. Not the instruments, but the underlying, like SPY and ES or QQQ and NASDAQ. Like if I said I'm in QQQ calls, that would mean NQ longs. Like they move the same. A lot of y'all forget I only traded options for a long time. I also traded penny stocks for a while too.
Okay, everyone. Well,
you watching for as I say, long entry too?
15-minute box.
Or are you gonna reject that supply?
It's wicking back down. Let me see. Had to mess up that. We almost had a long entry, but this candle's getting ugly.
Yep. If we close up here, wouldn't be horrible.
72 be my entry if I take it.
I hate that wick.
Had positive delta.
I don't think the 15-minute high looks like a bad. Like this pre-market high down to 15-minute high doesn't look terrible. You just have to have risk below like 40.
Well,
What the hell?
it said forget your trade.
What?
I'd rather do that though than get us in the trade than just rip down.
Well, I guess we're not going to take that.
I couldn't take it because of the ugly candle.
What's crazy is I was contemplating it. I was like,
Still
weighing
could
up the
be
risk
very-
reward. Still waiting. I'm waiting on my entry, guys. You guys will know if I enter something. I would have rather seen on this candle here, we had good volume, but I don't like how nearly half this candle is wick. Not quite all, but good amount of wick. I'm still not opposed to the longs. I'm just watching how this candle plays out. That was a very aggressive wick down.
Oh, we would have still been in the trade. This is ugly previous candle. No, I'm not in. That previous candle just wasn't it. The way it wicked back down.
Go.
Technically speaking, that trade wouldn't have stopped out. It would have gone below 40. That previous candle was ugly.
Yeah, I hated the way it closed. It kind of looked like it's just rejecting Asia high, previous day high. Too much risk.
Dun, 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 dun. I've gotten 2 payouts this week, 5 for 5 green days last week, and 3 green days this week. Thanks, Jay Dunn. You're welcome, bro. All right, let's see how this candle closes. Let's see what we get here. And I'm free falling. Got the Tradeify select accounts up as well. My daily payout accounts with Tradeify. Yeah, I'm not fully bought in on the long move just quite yet. Not just quite yet. All-time highs are a little bit different for me. I'm a lot more patient. I'm always patient. I always choose DOD. But I specifically stay extra patient at all-time highs. And we close back below those levels, so that would for sure be invalidated. Show. Show. Yeah, car is just dying. From 900 almost to 300 is diabolical. Tell me that ain't some manipulation right there. That's some manipulation if I've ever seen it.
If it closed below the 9 EMA, I'll be going short. We'll close that.
Order filled.
I think we need the lava lamp on too. I think that's the final touch. We were hitting bangers with the lava lamp. What? You hey. Oh my lava lamp. You hush. Yeah, lava lamp's on. We're cooking now, guys. We're cooking now. We failed this 15-minute high, failed pre-market high, so that invalidates all longs. We got one more line of support here. We got 27,000. We got point of control, and we have VWAP right around this area. Yeah, we got a lava lamp on now, so we'll be good. We'll be all right.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's right at that 15-minute. We'll see if it's gonna 8 o'clock candle coming up. See if it can hold here. Says I want to see the price action at the 8 o'clock minute. It may just continue down. I'll stop out.
Stop filled.
Then I'll be looking for this 200 period EMA. You have lowering volume, so
No. Just waiting for an A plus setup,
Order
guys.
filled.
Because we're free fall. So we could get, I'd love to see us get a close. We still have 3 minutes or 2 minutes on this candle. 3 minutes? 2.5 minutes on this candle. So no, the previous, this doesn't count as a 2-bar. Why is this not a 2-bar? What is the qualifications that a 2-bar needs in order to be a true 2-bar? It has to be a trend entry. If it's not a trend, it could be a reversal. Like say that we reverse and have higher volume at this 15-minute high and pre-market high. Sure, you could use a retracement of that and then keep your stops above the highs. But to be a quote unquote 2-bar, you have to see a trend entry. The only reason you use a 2-bar is to catch a retracement when you might not get a full retracement on a strong trend. It's not a trend setting candle. Not a trend setting candle. We don't trade it for a 2-bar at least. This might give us a long entry, guys. I might have to, if we get a strong close here, I may have to look at this for a move back down to VWAP and then stops below like the 15-minute low. You guys see that? What I'm looking at here? We have a strong reversal candle off whole site number 27,000, off point of control, off VWAP. I would have rather a sweat pre-market low, but I'm going to look for a retrace on a 27,000 if we close this candle
Order
strong with
filled.
stops below like 970. So 30 points of risk.
Order filled.
I think it's worth a try. We'll see how we close this candle though. If we don't close it strong, then that idea I just said gets invalidated.
Yep.
See. Watching for a move down to see how we react to 27,000. With those stops to be below 970. Come on. No, 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 no. Not right now. Not yet. Don't you do it. Don't you move to 27,005 and go. Don't you even think about it. You go back down right now. Downwards dog. Yoga class is in session. Yoga class is in session. We need downwards dog. Downwards dog. Don't make me get the hammer out again. I don't want to have to do that again. Just give us a nice. I want to see us touch this like VWAP and move up. Come on.
Really in my system. This says we're in a downward trend now, so.
All right, let's see how this candle does us. Come on.
And for a low of day.
All right. Watching. Let's see if we can get a wick back up now. Try to piece along, guys. Try to piece along. Try to piece along 27,000.
Order filled. Order
Tried that,
submitted.
and I'll keep my stops at 970. So I have 30 points of risk.
Order submitted.
Had to try it. We have point of control, VWAP. If we close below those, I'll stop early for a loss, but I had to try it there, guys. I could not try it. I have hard stops in at 26,970.
Order
Whole
submitted.
site number, VWAP, point of control, VPA. If we got this reversal here and I didn't try it, I'd be very sad with myself. I want to see at least 27,030. Come on, push it up. At least we know now if it doesn't work. We're up 25 points. I want at least 27,030. Come on. Come on. Rapido. Gene, what is go up in Spanish? You're supposed to know this. Arriba. 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 Vamos arriba. Rapido. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go above 30. Go above 30. Go above 30. I don't like that volume a ton, but I do like the candle. I don't like that volume a ton. I don't like that volume a ton. It went 20, I swear. Went 29 points. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I'm going to move my stops up right now to 88, guys. So it'll be only a 12-point loss if it goes below. We'll keep it basically break even. I don't like that we just sold that off. Literally one
Order
point
filled.
away from where I was going to take a partial. That's annoying. It literally went to 29. Wow. Wow. I honestly, I would keep my stops the same below 70. I don't think it's a horrible idea, but I don't like, we didn't have much volume on this candle. So that spooks me a little bit. That's so annoying, bro. What? I'm taking that back. I'm gonna follow my original plan. I'm gonna put it at 70. I'm gonna give this a little more room to breathe. I'm not gonna add anything more. We just 1 point away from where I was gonna take some off. That's annoying as heck. It's all right. Follow the plan. One of the bigger move. One of the bigger move didn't work out so far. I don't like that volume either. Oh, that sucks. That sucks, guys. That is annoying. You see that, Gene? 1 point, bro. I can't even believe that.
Mirror image of yesterday.
I can't believe that. I'm just in awe. They did me so dirty there. 1 point. Larry won. We were so close. Let's see.
Order
Let's see what we
failed.
get. I'm
For a
sticking to my
big down
plan.
here in my eval.
If we do
on this.
close below VWAP and point of control, I will stop early for a loss. Or if it stops me at my planned stop, I'll just obviously get stopped. See, here's the thing. This is the exact example I like to use of like see green, take green. People are like, oh, well, you could have just taken profit. It's like, well, I guess, yeah, but I wouldn't have gotten my profit target. If I was risking 30 on this, I wanted to
Look at
make
what
at least
happened
30,
yesterday.
and it gets 29. So is it extremely annoying
Same
when it
thing.
gets that close?
We
Totally. But did I follow
Oops.
my plan and over time?
down,
Will that pay me
and then it
more
just
than
rocketed up.
emotionally selling just because
So
it's green?
we'll see if it does the exact opposite
I
today.
have my hard stops in, guys, at 970. So if it goes down in this candle, I'll get stopped
I'm
out.
looking
I'm not
for a
going to
move
add
all the
anything.
way
I'm not
down
going to
here,
average
maybe to the
down.
overnight low right here.
Wanted my 30 plus points, and ideally wanted to move higher. Just didn't happen to work out there. 1 point away. My huevos are extremely blue. Unreal.
Right there.
Unreal, guys. Followed my plan, which I'm happy about, but that one's annoying. I'm going to take a few minutes off after that one. My huevos are so blue from that, it's not even funny. I can't believe they went 1 point away. It's still in. My stops are at 970, but it doesn't look great, especially if we get higher volume on this candle. We'll see.
Have you did you get a trim off before it pulled back?
No, bro, 1 point away. Nope. We closed below VWAP and point of control.
Candle, the 10 a.m. candle had some pretty high negative delta.
It's back at break even, everybody. Back at break even. Still holding original plan. I'm gonna move my stops up to 77 now. So only 23 points of risk now. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Rise from the dead. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Don't call it a comeback. Don't call it a comeback. Come on. Above 30. I don't take any off until 30. Stops are now at 77. 23 points of risk. If you're scared, if you're nervous, if your huevos are
So not exactly the
whatever
same
the
as
color they
yesterday.
are, you can manage how you see. I want to see not 27,030 plus first. Rapido! Rapido! Where's the magnet? Where's the magnet? Where's the magnet? Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. No. Don't do it again. No. No. My stops are at 77, guys. So if we go below 77, I am out of this trade. Below this, let me move this up a little bit. There we go. I'm going to push the magnet up. So like this will push it up. All right, let's see. We'll see if what we did yesterday works too. I have an idea. I think this might be it. Hold on. Come on. Go. Go. Give us our 30, baby. Come on. Come on. I know you got it. Come on, baby. 30 plus. Let's go. For all that is good and well.
Does it look like it wants to go higher?
Come on. Come on. It's working. It's working. It's working. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Go up. Come on, baby. Give us 30. Give us 30 plus. If you want to, you can set your stops to break even. I'm going to go ahead and move my stops up one more time. I'm going to move my stops up to 80, 87 below this 5-minute candle here. So now and I'm going to keep them here. Worst case scenario is like a 12, 13 point loss. So come on.
Shenanigans today. Wow.
I don't like how we keep rejecting this. So I'm going to keep my stops are below this previous 5-minute candle low. It'll only be 12 points, so very small. I'm going to keep it here. It's actually 87. So none of these freaking worked. None of my strategies worked. We got up to almost 30 points. Just couldn't quite get it. This does not look great for what I'd like to see with a VWAP point of control and 27,000 bounce. You got multiple moves up, and we failed 30 every time.
Mm-hmm.
So 86.50 to be exact. 87. I get stopped out. What is that? 14 points? 13 points? 13 and a half points? Like, this don't look good for the upside right here. You guys see this? It got me, guys. I'm out of this trade. 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 I'd almost even argue that shorts look good. I hate flipping from long to short or short to long, but look at this 5-minute candle right here. I hate doing that. I hate flip-flopping. Because then if you're wrong, and it's just like, well, it's double pain at that point. But it doesn't look half bad for that retest of VWAP and point of control with stops above like our previous times. So I'm gonna wait for a second. I'm not gonna flip, even though I think it does look decent for a move.
That's where Jay
so
Dunn and I
annoying,
differ.
Man. So close.
Once it breaks below these EMAs and holds below like this, then I would say that that's now the start of a new downtrend. So we'll just keep watching.
If I hadn't taken a trade yet, I would honestly look for shorts around this 27,000 with stops above this high right here. But I don't want to just flip.
3 minutes till the next 6-minute candle. But again, if it's exactly the opposite of what happened yesterday, we're gonna make it all the way down to this overnight low, maybe even previous day low.
Only 13 points, kept it small, and almost got our 30-point take profit. So I'm gonna wait to see how this develops, and we'll look for another trade. How annoying. Sorry, guys. I really thought that was going to have some continuation up. I really thought that was going to have some continuation to the upside. Just a lot of risk.
Still 6-minute candle closes.
Right here. It's kind of 50-50 ball. So we got to take this off. People don't think we're still in. I don't think shorts look horrible here with stops at 30. Knowing how this market's been, we'd run it and then die. Hopefully that doesn't happen. If anyone's in shorts. When we got up 29 points, it was almost 1R. It just edged it. It edged it real bad.
One minute till the
See
24
here.
candle.
Just hanging out around 27,000.
Hmm.
So that's why sometimes too, I also keep more of a scalping mindset at all-time highs as well. It's just sometimes it works out better, but at the same time, if we would have gotten the move I wanted and had that strong reversal, I wanted to hold more of it for a bigger win. So that's the cost of holding for bigger wins, is you just get stopped out here and there. But as a reminder, guys, if you guys need an account to trade, you guys can use code JDUN with FFF. It's FFF day, meaning that we have the highest possible discount of the entire industry today. 50% off the primes, 50% off the premieres. Let's see if we can catch if we can get a nice winning trade today. 113-point stop so far. We're up 29 points and it edged it, and watch it's going to go now. It's all right. We still got room for, like Vince Carter, baby. I got another one in me.
I'm going to close that and reverse.
Order filled.
Don't you dare do it. It's going to do it right here. It's going to do it. After this BS wick candle, whatever it is right here, you're going to call it. Wow. Wow.
See.
Well, almost wow. We'll see if it edges it again. Again, it just can't. There's a freaking wall at that 30 area. I'm so tempted to try longs again. Fingers on the trigger. Just, it's going to go here. This is going to be the time. It's going to go right. It's going to go. Don't do it. It's going to do it. It's so going to do it. It's so going to freaking do it.
We'll see. It could go either way here. I'll risk my 50 points, but
the low is perfect. Just right where I sold my position. That's the low. About 50 cents below.
These wicks, all of these wicks is what's leading me to do this, but again, only in my eval.
I still like
Got
the
a little
longs
bit
now.
of
I
green in my
take back. There's no world in where I would try shorts if and only if we went to, like, if we fail these lows right here, strong move down, maybe you could look for a retest back up and go, but I still looks like the longs want to push. If we can hold this 27,000. It is hesitating. It's being slow. That's all-time highs for you. Welcome to all-time highs. It's going to do it. It's going to do it. Well, it just went and barely touched 30. I'm not even sure it would have been quick enough for a trim, but we got PT1 if we would have been in. Here's what scares me about a pullback, or what makes me more hesitant for say, is look at this candle and then look at the volume correlating. It's lower. If we had higher volume here, you bet your butt I'd look for a retest back down here. No question, stops below here for longs. I still don't hate the idea because we're at 27,000 and we still have view op there and point of control there, but
Order filled.
It's VWAP.
if we had higher volume, I'd for sure try again right here. If we had a rising volume 5-minute candle here, I would most definitely try longs again down here. If we had that, like almost for sure.
Order filled.
All-time highs are sneaky, tricky sometimes. In my drop top. I think there is a world where we see a move back up. I think there's also a very possible world where we just die from this 27,000. I initially wanted to see us come move up. If we would have had higher volume on this candle, no ifs, no buts, no coconuts, I would have taken this this long down here again. I still think we could. I still think we might move. I probably will send now. Probably will. My bias is right a lot of the time. I will say that. The times that it's doesn't happen often that I have the wrong bias and lose. It does happen, not super often. Most of my losses come from I just get wicked out, then it goes in my direction. I think that's fair to say. Obviously, you guys can tune in if you have seen differently in chat, but I think that's a very valid thing to say. Usually pretty correct when it comes to directional bias.
Well, we had increasing volume here with a green candle, so I like this. It's breaking above the EMAs. So
What the heck? Check.
let's see if it can hold.
Oh, that was super
Maybe
weird.
even put in a buy candle, and then we'd look for a retrace. I'm going to have to log off early today.
Now I'm annoyed.
Because I've got some
What the hell just happened?
education I got to attend. So
Bro, this is exactly what I wanted to see. Woosah. DOD. 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 D to the O to the O to the D. It's all right. Bro. Oh, I'm hella annoyed. So annoyed. If we get higher volume on this and we pull back, I'm ripping alongs. No ifs, no buts, no coconuts. Higher volume, pull back, it's coming. If and as the only way. We need a strong candle here. Pull back down. We target highs. We ride. It's all right. No, I didn't. I stopped out for a measly 13 points. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm going full Vince Carter mode. Well, I'm glad you guys held, and I genuinely mean that. I genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, mean that. Oh, thanks, Gene. I swear I will rip this full size if we get what I want to see. I'll do it. We got volume. Need the volume confirmation. Pull back down. Unleash the dogs. Come on. Give us, we got 1 more minute on this candle. You mean revenge trade? It's not revenge trading if you have a confirmation. If you have confirmation. Revenge trading would say, all right, I'm angry. I'm going to enter here. You know what? I'm going to channel my inner Steph Curry and go clutch mode. Maybe that'll help if I speak positively on your guys' favorite player. All right. Down by 3. Curry, top 5 ever. Super great. Definitely not overrated. Here we go. I love Curry. For sure, top 5 of all time. Not even an argument. Let's go. This is not a great candle either. 40. Talk good about Shy and you'll get a trade. Talk good about Shy. Is there free throws in trading? Well, could the market pause so I can get free throws? If so, yeah, no. Shea Gilgeous-Alexander, definitely deserving of the MVP. Definitely, stats-wise, deserves the MVP. Yeah, definitely so deserving. Definitely the best, most valuable player in the year. Yep, definitely not overrated. Definitely has better stats than Jokic. Yeah. Oh yeah, I would definitely rather have Curry or Shy on my team than Jokic. Because they're definitely both really, really good. Bro, I can't believe this. Give us a pullback. I'm ripping longs with all I have. Everything I know.
For it too.
Everything I have.
If you're right down to here.
But I am ripping longs if we get a pullback. It's happening. We're above the 50%. So annoyed. I cannot take this unless we get a pullback. No pullback, no retracement, no trade. DOD.
7033. That's where I'd want to do it.
Don't you dare go up first. Go down and then up. You can go down and then up. You can go downward dog and then upwards after.
Be patient.
I'd like to see a pullback down to like 30, 20 to 30. Stops below like probably 27,000. See it pull back down. I won't rip it up here. As bad as I want to, as bad as your emotions will say, come on, chase it, do it. Just gotta wait. Gotta stay patient and choose DOD. As tough as it is sometimes. As tough as it is sometimes, just gotta choose DOD. Appreciate y'all being here and using code JDUN with FFF. It is FFF Day. This discount will end today and 50% off will no longer be here.
There we go.
Use code JDUN. I'm basically 0 for 0 today. I'm technically 0 for 1, but 13 points. I don't really count it. But that does work. Use code JDUN. All right, let's see here. Don't love how this candle is forming, but let's see what we get. Let's see if we can find a support base here. If we can, I'll try the longs. Stops below 27,000. If not, then I will wait. This is what I wanted to see, though. So move to 60. It's not to 92. Well, you can count it. I don't count it. All right. I want to see how this candle looks first. I don't want a long and aggressive 5-minute candle to the downside.
Look how it closed
Oh,
above.
yeah, we're 0.
Order submitted.
We're 0 for 0.5. Yeah, there we go. That works. This is a tough candle to long still. I mean, look at this. It is giving us just nothing easy today. And as bad as I want to catch more move up, I mean, I'm not gonna force it. Yeah, we're over 0.5. There we go. We're over half a loss. There you go. So I'm just gonna wait still. Choosing DOD. Just waiting. I like the red pill.
Comes 42. See what we can get. I don't have much on risk. Love for it to close above here. 12 seconds.
Stop filled.
Come down and get me.
Still waiting, guys.
Probably get my loss here, but if Jay Dunn jumps in here, I'll add, but only then. I don't like how it closed below, but we are bouncing off VWAP again. So we'll see.
Still waiting. Still waiting, guys. I'm not going to rip the longs yet. I want to, but I'm not going to. Choosing DOD, setting a good example. Setting a good example, guys. Choosing DOD.
Let's go. High of day.
See, they were hating on LeBron too. Look at him 2-0. You know, LeBron is 100%, has 100% win rate in series where he's up 2-0. Fun fact. In the playoffs. What do you recommend on FFF? I recommend the Prime or the Premier account. They're both 50% off. You can only buy up to 5.
6-2, I think.
This candle just sucks.
Oh. That's why.
This candle's horrible. Not horrible in terms of its body, but the volume just sucks. Listen, if the Nuggets lose, I will cheer on LeBron. I will cheer on anyone except for OKC. Like, I hate OKC. Shy is the most overrated player I've ever seen in my life. Bro just shoots
Really?
free throws the whole game. Not the MVP. I'll cheer for the Spurs. I'll cheer for the Lakers. Hell, I'll even cheer for the freaking Timberwolves over the freaking overrated OKC Thunder. Horrible. Anyone but the Thunder. Absolutely overrated. I'll start wearing a Steph Curry jersey on the damn stream before I ever root for OKC. Sure, I'm down for the Pistons too. I'm down for the Pistons too. Sure. Bet. Awesome. I'm down. Let's go. Not a big Celtics guy either. I don't hate the Celtics. I hate OKC. I hate OKC. The MVP race should be Jokic, Wemby, then I don't know, like Cade Cunningham or
For
something,
48,
then
yeah.
Luka, then maybe Shy in 5th place. Maybe. Like that's being very generous. Very, very generous putting him in 5th. Jaylen Brown, Jaylen Brown's great. I'd even honestly put Curry in front of Shy for the MVP race, and that's saying a lot. Saying a lot. You ask me if I'm putting Curry or Shy, Gilgeous-Alexander on my team. If free throws aren't a thing, I'm taking Curry all day, every day. All day.
3 seconds.
He's the MV3 free throw P. I still think this is going to move up. I still have belief in this moving up.
made a mistake in that
I'm
my
done moving my stop
evals
loss. I'm done
weren't
with it. From here on
on
out,
there.
I'm done with it. I'm either taking full size losses or full size wins. No in between. That's it. That's
You're
it.
gonna let this come
Effective.
to
Where's
a
the gavel?
loss.
Where's my gavel? I'll use my coffee lid. Effective immediately. No more moving stop losses. Done with it. Until further notice, I'll let you know if that changes.
So it could fail here. We'll see. Looks like it might.
Shea Gilgis Alexander Glaze is crazy. About someone who scores all their points off free throws. What? Oh, yeah, no, any team I will root for over OKC. Literally any team. All of them. Oh, yeah, I was a big D Rose fan back in the day. Huge.
I could see it come down and touch here. Let's see.
How do I hate greatness? I go watch Jokic in person. That's greatness. LeBron is greatness. Kobe was greatness. Shy is what we call the cap. I'm not even a LeBron Glazer. I just respect him. Dude's one of the GOATs. Is what it is. D Rose was greatness before news gave out its facts. Like LeBron, the GOAT. MJ,
Let's leave it.
Kobe, my two
Gonna
GOATs.
touch me out.
Jokic, a GOAT. Shy, decent player. Pretty good. We'll give him pretty good. Come on, give us a meaningful candle and a pullback. I still like the longs, even with after what it did to me. Here's what I don't want to happen, okay? I don't want to enter the longs up here. I don't want to try the longs up here. Have it pull back, have to add, and then go down, or have it
This
just
looks
pull
good
back,
because
and
if
don't
that
add, and it
keeps
just
up,
goes down
this will
anyway.
come up and touch.
But I still like the longs.
Mm.
You see anything you like, Grizzly?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna let this trade play out in the live today. I've got other things to do, but we'll have a positive Green Day. Have a good one.
I don't watch the NFL draft.
Remember
I have nothing
to
against
trade
it.
your
I just
system,
don't. I just think it's
control your
boring.
losses.
I can see who got drafted in what order later on.